Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again for another video. This is going to be a little different video today because we are going to be working with resin. Before I begin, I want to show you the dry piece from my previous painting, the previous video. So it is gorgeous. I never thought that this color palette would work out the way that I did, and I am super happy with it. So here it is. Take a look at this. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Look how it shines. And it did dry the same way that I left it on my table when I blew it out. Look how beautiful it is. Tell me what you guys think. I am in love with this color palette. I didn't think it would work. And as you get closer, you can see it looks like a little smoky. And then you see that shine come through, which is just beautiful. I love it. Tell me what you think about this one. It is a 10 by 20. It is available for purchase. If you like it, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com, or you can also visit my website, fluidartsbyelsa.com. So I'm going to put this back real quick. I'm going to show you what I'm working on with today. So I do have two commissions for two cutting boards with the beach theme. So I'm going to show you one that I have ready. Look how gorgeous. How pretty is that? So I did add in the shells. I added my sharks, my ray, my manatee, and it's just gorgeous. Okay. So this one, and now I'm going to be working on two additional ones. Again, like you saw on this one, I did use sand here at the edge. This time around, I'm going to do the beach on this bottom part because I do need to put a saying in the middle. So I'm going to do it like halfway, kind of like at an angle. So I'm going to put this back. I want to show you a painting. Oh, I don't know. That this one's sold, but I just want you to see the embellishment I did. It says life is love, share it. So that's a little beautiful piece. I'm going to do a top coat of resin to seal in those letters. So I have a lot that I'm working on. I'm going to show you the colors I'm going to be using. So I'm using my Piggies. I am using Mermaid, okay, together with Taffy for the beach and Sapphire. So those are my colors. Okay. I am using the Casting Craft transparent resin dye. Okay. I'm using this white Casting Craft pigment for my waves. And then I am adding a couple of rocks, a couple of seashells. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and get all this ready, and I'll be right back. Meet me down at the table. Okay, so here we are, and here are my two boards, okay? So I have them in view, and this one I'm going to do right over here. So I'm trying to see what angle I want to do this in. So like this. Okay. So I'm going to begin with the transparent color. So transparent first. I absolutely love this ocean. If you guys tell me what you think, Oh, let me turn my light off here. There. You see it? Beautiful. Gorgeous. I love it. Now what I'm gonna do is I am putting a little turtle on here. If I can get it open while my resin is wet. I think I want to add this little guy right here. What do you guys think? Yes, I love it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. So with my resin, I just want to make sure I glue him down. So all I'm doing is I'm gonna glue this little guy down. Right there. Oh, I love it. Gorgeous. I love it. Okay, let's torch it out a bit. Ah, I'm happy. I'm happy with that one. Okay, now we're going to work on this one. I'm going to bring her over this way to me a little more. Right there. And this one, I'm going to do that way. So at the top. Okay, so we're going to start at the top with this. No, it was the transparent. So here. Okay, everyone, so here are the cutting boards. Look at how gorgeous. First of all, I'll take you into the water. Look how gorgeous the wave looks. I added this little guy, this turtle. And as you go up to the top of the board, look at the seagulls. Beautiful. I'm super happy with this one. And I'll go ahead and show you the second one right over here. Again, I'm super happy with the way the water looks, has depth, love it. Sorry about that glare. And I added a little seagull right there, that little guy. So those are the two boards, as you can see. Tell me which is your favorite. And then when it dries, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to coat the whole thing with a top coat of resin. So I do have to add a saying on it, like I mentioned earlier. And these are going to be for decoration in a kitchen. Okay. So I'm going to come back around to the front of my table just so you can see it. Look at that. What do you guys think? Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. And tell me, which one is your favorite? I like them both. Very different. And I'll go ahead and I'll finish them up. I'm going to embellish them with a couple little more things here. And as soon as they're done, I will show you how they end up, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.